Use the key to open the battery cover. Take out the battery. Press and hold the power on button for 15 seconds to release the residual electrical energy. Use a 3 mm hex key to remove the turn signals on both sides. Use a 3 mm hex key to loosen the clamping ring inside the left handlebar grip. Use a 3 mm hex key to loosen the clamping ring inside the right handlebar grip. Remove the handlebar grips on both sides. Use a 4 mm hex key to remove the brake levers on both sides. Use a 2.5 mm hex key to remove the left button. Use a 3 mm hex key to loosen the screws that fix the right button. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the fixing screws of the bell and the front reflector. Use a 4 mm hex key to remove the screws that fix the handlebar. Remove the handlebar. Remove the right button and the bell. Pull out the left and right turn signal wire harnesses. Install the handlebar with the logo facing outwards and in the correct orientation. Install the bell. Install the right button. Thread the turn signal wire harnesses through both sides of the handlebar. Install the front cover. Make sure the side with words is facing up. First, pre-tighten the first screws in a crisscross pattern. Adjust the handlebar to ensure that there are no white lines showing on either side. Adjust to a comfortable angle. First, tighten the upper screws until there is no gap. Then tighten the first screws alternately. Ensure that the handlebar is not loose. Install the left button. First, pre-tighten the fixing screws. Install the right brake lever. First, pre-tighten the fixing screws. Install the left brake lever. First, pre-tighten the fixing screws. Push the brake lever inwards. Install the handlebar grips on both sides. Install it with the raised side facing inwards. Tighten the tightening ring inside the left handlebar grip. Tighten the tightening ring inside the right handlebar grip. Install the handlebar clamping ring with the nut facing the rear of the bike. Connect the turn signal terminals. Reinstall the turn signals. Ensure that the lamp beads face the front and rear. Tighten the fixing screws. Repeat the same steps to reinstall the turn signal on the other side. Press the brake lever tightly against the handlebar grip and adjust it to a suitable angle. Tighten the fixing screws. Fit the raised part of the brake lever into the groove of the left button. Tighten the screws that fix the left button. Press the right brake lever tightly against the handlebar grip. Tighten the fixing screws. Ensure that the angle of the brake lever is comfortable. Fit the raised part of the brake lever into the groove of the right button. Tighten the fixing screws. Confirm that the angles of the buttons on both sides are appropriate. Adjust the bell to a suitable position. Tighten the fixing screws. Install the reflector facing forward. Tighten the fixing screws. Reinstall the battery and the cover plate.